In today's digital age, online privacy is more crucial than ever. You might want to limit who sees your posts, photos, friend list, and other information on Facebook. Well, good news! Facebook offers a fantastic feature called Profile Lock that lets you do just that with a single tap. Alright, let's start with the mobile app, as most of us use Facebook on our phones. Open the Facebook app. First things first, make sure you have the Facebook app installed and open it up. Go to your profile. Tap on your profile picture or your name in the top left corner to go to your Facebook profile page. Tap the three dots. Once you're on your profile, look for the three horizontal dots, the More menu, right next to the Add to Story button. Tap on those dots. Find Lock Profile. A menu will pop up. Scroll down until you see the option that says Lock Profile. Tap on it. Read the information. Facebook will show you a brief explanation of what happens when you lock your profile. This usually includes: only friends will see your posts, stories, and reels. Only friends will see your full-size profile picture and cover photo. Only friends will see your friends list. Posts you've made public in the past will remain public. Tap Lock Your Profile. Once you've read the information, tap on the blue button at the bottom that says Lock Your Profile. Confirmation. You'll see a confirmation message pop up, usually saying something like, "You've locked your profile." Only your friends can see the photos, posts, and story on your profile. Tap OK. And that's it. Your Facebook profile is now locked. It's super simple, right? You'll even see a little lock icon next to your name on your profile to indicate that it's locked. Just to reiterate, when your profile is locked, only your Facebook friends will be able to see your posts, stories, and reels on your timeline. Non-friends will only see a limited view of your profile, including your profile picture and cover photo, though sometimes even those are restricted, and your mutual friends. Your friend list will only be visible to your friends. Posts you've previously set to public will remain public. People who aren't your friends won't be able to zoom in on your profile and cover photos.